Hello friends, in today's video I thought I would share a few things that are important to you in your life. We have people of different ages living with us who are associated with us as we live. So we have to buy gifts for each person's special days, family events or for different occasions or family matters. So the gift we buy for them on a special occasion and give as a gift should be a valuable and important gift. Giving them such a precious gift will make their hearts much appreciated and they will remember it for a long time. Therefore, we cannot go shopping at once and buy it without considering a plan or facts about what kind of gift we should buy for them. If so, there are few things we should think about and consider before we make a gift so they can feel, appreciate and remember the gift we give them. Let's take a look at the basics we should consider when buying a gift. Before explaining all the basics of buying a gift, if you are new to my channel or you have not joined my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the below red subscribing button. After watching this video, give a like and write your thoughts in the comment section. If you think the video is good, please share it with your friends. Okay, now let's see what are the basic things you need to know to buy a gift. What are the most important things you should consider when buying a gift for any person's special occasion or any type of event? First factor, the amount of money to spend. First, it is important to consider how much you can spend on the gift. When buying a gift, you need to decide how much you can afford to spend on it and then decide which type of gift you should buy based on the amount you are spending. Depending on your budget, you can decide what kind of gift you can buy for clothing, antiques, furniture or any other valuable gift. Second factor, you and their relationship. You need to consider the relationship of the gift receiver, who is a friend, neighbor, relative or some special person. Depending on your relationship, you can choose the type of gift to buy. Third factor, age and gender of the gift receiver. It is important to know the age and gender of the gift recipient before buying any gift. Once you know the age and gender of the recipient, you can easily decide what kind of gift to buy. In this way, a child, a younger or an older person can easily choose a better gift for them. Fourth factor, recipient most interesting factors. Another important factor to consider is what kind of gift the recipient is most interested in. If you can find the recipient's interest types, it is worth choosing a gift that he or she likes. If you can choose a gift that the recipient likes, he will be happier and the gift will remain in his memory for a long time. Fifth factor, The nature of the recipient's life. It is better to consider what kind of lifestyle the recipient has in their normal life. Because no matter how good the gift is to us, if the recipient does not like it, it is of no use to the recipient. Therefore, it is important to know the recipient's lifestyle and choose the gift. For an example, a person with a lifestyle who loves music, then it doesn't worth buying a sports item or gift. Then if you know the recipient loves music, the recipient will be happier if you can buy a gift related to music. Sixth factor, how close with the recipient. The next point to consider, how close the relationship is with the recipient. Obviously, if you are giving a gift to your lover or special person, you can decide what kind of gift you should give. Also, you can get an idea to buy a gift that suits your friends or relative. By knowing what kind of relationship you and the recipient have, you can easily buy a very valuable gift for the recipient. Seventh factor, the nature of the ceremony or party. If it is a party, you should consider whether it is a small, large, or what kind of event is being organized. Then you can get an idea to decide what kind of party it is: a birthday party, a big girl's party, an anniversary party, a wedding, a special occasion, like that. Then you can choose the best gift for them. So I think by watching this video, you should learn what are the basic things you need to know to buy a gift. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button and select all to activate notification as soon as my new video is released at once. And click the thumb up button to like this video. Write your thoughts or ideas about this video in comment section. Thanks for watching till the end of this video. Have a great day.